I have here a pair of JBuds Air Sport earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Samsung TV, okay? So first thing is we need to go ahead and put these in a pairing mode, all right? So let me go ahead and open this case up. I'm going to take out the both earbuds. And as soon as you take them out, you may see one of the lights rapidly blinking blue, white, blue, white, blue, white, indicating it's in pairing mode. But mine's not doing it. So let me press these sensor here, these touch sensors. Let me press and hold for a few seconds. And then let go. It's not, that should get into pairing mode. It's not in pairing mode though. Let me do it again. Press and hold. Okay, oh, there it is. So just one of the earbuds is going to be blinking rapidly, blue, white, blue, white. So this is in pairing mode now. So now we have to go to the Samsung TV. I'm going to go to my settings. Okay, let me click on the home button on this model TV here, and then I'm going to go all the way to the left where the three horizontal lines are, and then it changes into like a setting, a gear icon right there, settings. Click on OK. Now I'm going to go down to sound, and now I'm going to move over to the right. And currently the sound output is coming out of my TV speakers. I want it to come out of these. These are still in the pairing mode. I see one of them blinking blue, white, blue, white. So let me click on the sound output here. Now I'm going to go down to Bluetooth speaker list. And now it's going to be searching for devices that are in pairing mode. So let me go down. All these devices I have here is already paired. Let me go down to the bottom here. And let me see if it finds. Okay, I don't see it anywhere. Where are those JLabs at? Okay, so it's still in the pairing mode. So let me just do this. Let me go ahead and go. I'm going to click on the back button on the remote. I'm going to go back again to Bluetooth speaker list. Okay, now let's see if it shows up here. Voila, and it said JLab, the JBuds, and now it needs pairing, it said. So let me click on OK on the remote, and you can see it was still in the pairing mode. Okay, pair and connect, click on OK, and give it 1 second. And voila, we are connected. Click on OK right there, and we should see the JBuds are connected. Now here's the thing, if you guys had issues where you couldn't connect or you couldn't pair or you couldn't even get these in the pairing mode, look in the link below. I'll show you how to factory reset these, okay? Good luck, guys.